Hey guys, I was at Costco today and I see that they have the Tramontina induction cooking system. It's a three-piece system for $80. There's other induction cooking pans on sale online as well, so I'll leave the link below. But at the same time, this is a pretty nice setup because it gives you the induction heater pad or induction cooktop, as well as that 4-quart covered universal pan. So you can actually do cooking, frying, and all the other fun stuff in small studio apartments, dorms, micro living places, or a portable extension of your kitchen, or maybe even RVing. This would be pretty awesome because it's only using electric. So whether you're plugged in and to a wall source or to a large 2000 watt inverter, you'll probably need that much. It's pretty cool. I like how it comes with that universal pan and the fact that you could use 212 volts on a regular 2-prong outlet to use this. And the fact that it comes with a covered pan, you could pretty much already start cooking already. But at the same time, it's like I'm looking at, probably other, the ability you could clean this thing pretty well because it's just a flat surface where you could clean it. And you could just control the heat from those touch panels areas. So induction heating should be super fast, and just basically cooks that metal, or causes the metal to cause a lot of heat. Induction ready, so like it's not too big either. It's basically about 15 inches by 12 inches by 3 inches tall, so it's storable. You guys should keep it in a small place. Also has an auto shut off to prevent protection, as well as it's also easy to clean, and it has 11 temperature settings. But it's a nice kit. It basically has what you need to get started, and if you just have a small dorm room, this would be awesome for small dorm rooms or small apartments, or even places where you don't if your stove broke, this would be very, very quick to actually use something like this and just plug it into the wall. But yeah, 60 minutes on a 2-hour period. That's pretty interesting. Do not use on metallic surfaces. Anywho, there is a fan on the bottom, I guess, to cool the system down, to exhaust the heat from the cooking system, which is pretty neat. So I guess you can't really cover this stuff. But anyways, also looking at the saute pans that they also sold right next to it, which is pretty cool. There was a 3-pack for $27. And these are basically induction cooking ready, and you can tell because actually right down electric on it. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, I figured I'd let you guys know. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button for more Costco finds, and see you next time. Stay tuned. Bye bye.